Hello, see me again with Samnang English teacher. Today I'm so glad to teach all of you about the phonetic sound in English. In these videos, I would like to show all of you about how many phonetic sound in English, and I also would like to show all of you 5 voice consonant sound in English. Okay, so number 1, I would like to show you about the voice consonant sound in English. Does, 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 the, does, the. One more, does, so does, it is a voice consonant sound in English, and I would like to make an example. One vocabulary, it is a dog, 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 it is a vocabulary, and you hear the sound dog, it is a sound does, does. So does, it is a voice consonant sound in English. So dog, the word dog, it is start with does, does, it is a voice consonant sound. So dog start with the voice consonant sound, and the next it is a or it is a short vowel sound in English, and the last, it is a voice consonant sound, gus. So gus and or and does, so it is a dog, dog, we pronounce dog. Why? How do we know to pronounce dog? Because we know about the voice consonant sound does, does, does. This vocabulary start with the voice consonant does, and then after it is a short vowels or, and the end of this word, it is a voice consonant gus, and then we this word together, we read or we pronounce dog. So we go to the next voice consonant sound, bus, bus, b, or we can say bus, bus, b, bus, 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 it is a voice consonant sound in English, so bus, we take the example like baby, the word baby, baby, you hear the sound, it is a bus, ba, it is a bus, but it is a voice consonant sound, so bus, and the neck, you see, e, I, it is a diphthong. Diphthong, it is combined with 2 or 3 vowel, and then it make the other sound, like this diphthong, e, I, make the other sound a, so bus, a, pay, pay, and the other voice consonant, it is also bus, and the last is the short vowels e, is. So e, with the bus, it is p, bis, and make together this this vocabulary, it is a baby, baby, babies, babies. How do we know how to pronounce this word? Yes, because we know the voice consonant, voice consonant and other short vowels mixed together can make only one vocabulary, baby. Yeah, we know how to pronounce it. Easy to pronounce. Okay, it's a baby. Okay, go to the next voice consonant. Curse. Okay, curse, curse, curse. You hear the sound? It is a voice consonant. Curse, curse. Okay, curse. Okay, so in this voice consonant, I tell you example with vocabulary. Go. Okay, go, go, and you hear it is start with the voice consonant curse, and o. You see o, yeah. O it is a deep song that combines two short vowel sound in English, and then make the other sound o. Okay? Guess with o, and we pronounce go. Okay? Go. Guess o, go. Okay. So we pronounce this word go. Okay. Okay. Go to the next voice consonant. I would like to show you about the voice consonant less. Okay, less. Less. It is a voice consonant in English. Less, 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 less. Okay, it's simple. The vocabulary look. Okay, look. You hear look. Look, it is start with the voice consonant less. Okay, less, less, less with the short vowel u, lu, and the last consonant is the start with the voice consonant curse in this vocabulary. Look. Okay, so the last voice consonant is curse in this vocabulary. And the first we start with the voice consonant less, and then the next it start with the short vowel sound in English, and the last voice consonant is curse. So in this vocabulary, we pronounce look, yeah, less, oh, and curse, we pronounce look, 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 look. Okay, easy to understand. You must to understand about the voice consonant sound in English very clear and practice it. Okay, and then you will know exactly about this. Okay, so in this video I would like to show you 5 voice consonant sound in English. Okay, so the last one I show you about the voice consonant sound must. Okay, must, must, must. Okay, okay, so must, we make the example with the vocabulary with the money. Okay, the word money, money, money. It is start with the voice consonant sound in English, must. Okay, must, and it is a short vowel sound in English. Okay, and then the other voice consonant sound, it is a nurse, nurse, and the last short vowel sound, it is a e. So now with e it knee, knee. Okay, and in this vocabulary start with the voice consonant sound must. With a, it is a short vowel sound m, and a, it is a ma. Okay, ma, ma, and the other voice consonant sound nurse come with short vowel sound e, it a knee, knee. So in this vocabulary, we pronounce money. Okay, money, money. Okay, money. Okay, manis. Okay, so in this video, it is very important to all you. Yeah, it is help us a lot, help all of you a lot to understand how to pronounce. Okay. Finally, I hope all of you easy to understand and try to learn hard and get a better result. If you like, please don't hesitate, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. See me next time. Bye bye.